We got a 14 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty turbo diesel. A nice wheel package, 39,000 miles, clean Florida title, no accidents. Always been garage kept, detailed, super clean, runs great, no issues. Great Florida truck. No rust, no accidents, never been dogged out. Show the interior. Has navigation, Sirius XM, nice sound system. Laramie package. No rips and tears in the leather. Has a nice topper for the bed. WXT series wheels. Got General tires, side steps. Super clean truck. White on brown tan color combo is nice. You got your 39,000 miles. Loaded interior package. Interested, go to realmusclecar.com or call 305-988-3092 or 305-772-8635. Ask for Tony or Peter. Thanks.